how to adjust brightness on Smart TV. And okay guys, you'll have to do first is go to menu on your remote. And you can see the option. So you can scroll down and go to settings. Here in settings, in picture, okay, click this. And you can see the option and go to picture mode settings. And now you can adjust the display settings for each picture mode. Okay, go to this. And now you can see the option and you can see the brightness. And the brightness is set and 250. So now you can adjust the brightness level to generate lighter or darker image. So you can click this or go to brightness to adjust here. Okay, the brightness set in 250. So you can scroll to the right to hide the brightness. Or you can scroll to the left to low the brightness. And okay guys, I decide to hide the brightness to set the brightness into 70%. Okay, so that's it guys. We have successfully adjust the brightness of my Smart TV.